Over there.
Is it a boy?
What do all these clothes look
It looks
like?
like a baby boy. It looks like a baby boy. It's a baby boy.
Yes, it's a baby boy.
A baby boy. A baby
Oh.
boy.
Is that exciting?
Yeah, I want a baby boy. I want a baby
You
boy.
want you get to have a little brother.
You want,
Look at this shirt.
you want a baby boy?
You do?
Are you excited?
A little brother.
Yeah.
And see its two eyes?
What's that?
That's the top of its head.
Oh. It looks like a monster.
It does kind of look like a monster.
Well, but y'all did too when y'all were in Mommy's tummy. These kind of pictures, they kind of make you look like a skeleton.
Daddy. Yeah.
Okay, then right here, there's the head. And see his little nose sticking up right there and his
Now
little
watch
lips.
this. Yeah.
And there's his arms.
There's his belly button.
Yes,
Yeah.
there's his belly.
Is that his belly?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's his
And there's
belly
his
button.
feet. And you know what these two things are right here? See if you can tell what those
His
two
feet.
Those are his little feet. That's
What
right. Well, that is what shows us that it's a little boy.
Oh, what is this?
That's his face.
Oh,
And see, he's got his hands up by his face like this. Can you see that?
yeah.
And he's got his mouth open.
What's this?
Well, that's all around Mommy's tummy. Bella, did you
That's
see?
a fish. Hello,
Okay. There's his
Here's a
face.
blah,
Can
blah.
you see his face? There's his mouth.
Right here.
Yeah, let me see your fingers. I'll point.
Do we
There's
get
his
another
mouth.
cheese?
Oh.
Cheese, cheese,
Wait,
cheese.
be still,
Oh,
Clipper.
take a picture
There's
of
his
it.
eyes.
Cheesy,
There's
cheese.
his
No,
nose.
cheese,
Oh.
no,
And he has his
cheese.
hands up here like this.
Where's his hands?
There's one of them right there on his cheek. And there's the other one down here on his cheek.
Where's his cheek?
And now,
Can I hold this?
wait, no, hold on. Let me hold it.
What is that?
This is the side of his face. Let me see your finger.
And that's his toes?
Yes, that's his toes. Let me see your finger. Look. There's his nose and his little lips. And there's his arm.
Is he laying down?
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
That's just Mommy's tummy.
But he's
And there's
squished.
his little feet. Yeah, he's a little squished in there.
Hey, Mommy, look.
Huh?
Mommy, look. Is that maybe why he's kicking?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, he doesn't want to be squished.
Be careful.
What is that? Let me see if it's the baby PJ's pin.
That's his little boy part.
What?
That's how we know it's a little boy.
But where's his hiney?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
He's sticking out his hiney like this.
Yeah. Y'all are pretty good at telling what to
Yeah, I think y'all have careers as ultrasound technicians.
Hey!